Okay, we're here at CM Paragon, looking at the DC section with the movie toys. There's just one Shazam toy over there. You've got like Aquaman stuff, but no regular figures for Shazam. What they do have is this: 20 sounds and phrases. Okay, let's press the leg for Billy. That's not a phrase.
Your phone is charged, and your phone is charged.
Oh,
yeah!
that's awesome.
Take that, Dr. Sabana.
That? He didn't say that.
This family sticks together. Shazam!
If it is, where's the rest of your family? Cloth cape! I'm gonna touch it! Alright. Shazam! What? Savannah has a toy? Oh, here. Let's press it some more.
Let's finish this, enemies of man. Oh, grow up! Shazam!
Totally not Zachery Levi's voice.
Hey, lightning from my hands, lightning from my hands, lightning from my hands.
Or was it? That was good.
Let's make this a fair fight, Dr. Sabana. Shazam! I can fly! Sweet! Shazam!
Yeah, we heard that.
Did you get that on camera? Oh, so you're like a bad guy. Check this out, enemies of man.
Is it repeated?
This job calls for a superhero. Why don't you pick on someone your own size, Dr. Sabana? Shazam!
Wow, he's saying Savannah a lot. Because he can't say his own name.
Your phone is charged.
Okay, we're back.
Your phone is charged. Take that, Dr. Sabana. Take that, enemies of man.
Talk to me! Talk to me, Shark! Say something! Rah, rah, rah. What's this toy there? Oh. Cross the leg. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The Brine King. And Orm. Because if you can't get your own Brine King. I thought they were smaller. And look at that! Have a powerful chest like Shazam. Oh, you got straps to wear it. Right, kid. If you press the thing, it says Shazam. I'll do it. Yeah, way to go. Say your secret weakness. Alright.
This family sticks together. Shazam! Let's finish this, Dr. Sabana. Enemies of man.
Okay, that's it then. Bye.